you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the winter BREO box to show you guys. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the winter 2023 BREO box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, if you know, you know, this BREO box, I always say, is a really great family or household box. It's not just geared towards men or towards women. It has like a little bit of both. So it's kind of like tech savvy. There could be so many different things. They always go with the seasons, and I love that. So you always find things in here that you never knew you needed, but definitely come in handy. Most of the stuff that I find in these boxes, I'm using all the time, and it's stuff that I never even knew was even out there or I needed, just like they say. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what's going to be in the winter box. They all come in these little boxes now that are fully recyclable. So once you get them, you can recycle them. I can just cut the tape. Yep. All right. So when you open it up, it says, "You deserve this." Yes, you do. And for the first time, there's a box in a box. Look at that. They fooled you. Like, psych. Nope, it's not that big box. It is in this box right here. So let's go ahead and get this one open. I don't think I've had one this small before. Let's see what's going to be in the winter box. Now it says, "You deserve this." And now it looks like we're going to have the product. So they always put it like in one of their little duster bags. I always save these because you never know when you need to toss stuff in them, use them for laundry bags or anything like that. So I always keep these like drawstring bags because they're good for a lot of different reasons. So here's the box. This one you can recycle as well. Now, again, here is how it comes. Let me get the paper out of here so I can scan this QR code and we can get some more information about the products that are inside. It says, "Winter-proof your days. Elevate your cozy winter days and nights with a suite of innovative products designed to deliver comfort, convenience, and quality. From enjoying crystal clear music and barista grade warm beverages at home," there's a little sneak peeks, "to ensuring well lit surroundings during the longer nights. Each item contributes to a snug effect and enjoyable season." So let's go ahead and scan that, guys, so we can see what we have. Okay, so I have it up here and I'm just gonna go in order on how I'm gonna see them. So the first thing, it says Node, I guess, N-O-D-E AirPlay speaker, valued for $90. And that would be this right here. It says it is the ultimate Wi-Fi multi-room speaker, offering a hassle-free and high-quality audio experience with unparalleled simplicity and privacy. Note, iOS device required for initial setup. It says, utilizing sophisticated Wi-Fi, it ensures that your music is delivered in its purest form from the original source to your ears, offering a pristine listening experience. Guaranteed privacy. With no microphones and no need for a voice assistant, it'll prioritize your privacy at every beat. So let's get this open and see what this speaker looks like. It says, "Let's make listening easy." And then that's what it looks like when you open it up. You have the user manual right on top. There's going to be the speaker. And then in here is probably like the charging cables and stuff like that that you might need. Let's see. Let's get the speaker out. So that is what the speaker looks like. It has the buttons right on top to turn it on and off. That is what the back looks like. And it does have like a rubbery type bottom right here. So I don't think it's going to like slide. I don't know how much bass will be hitting in a little speaker, but if it is or anything like that, at least I think it won't slip or slide with that little rubbery type bottom right there is what I'm thinking. So you have that. And then down inside of here, yes, is your charging cable. I actually have quite a few little speakers like this. I even have one that's waterproof that I always bring in the shower with me. I love that because then I don't have to worry about it getting wet or anything. This one I might just use maybe like in my garden or something, or see if somebody that I know needs one, because like I said, I already have quite a few. So this one here again is worth $90. So you have the speaker right there. Okay, so up next says Shelf Mate Wall Outlet Shelf. Okay, that would be this right here. This is valued for $15. Maximize your space with this convenient wall holder that turns a standard outlet into a sturdy platform for up to 10 pounds of your household items. Let me open this up to show you. It says easy installation, effortlessly installed by replacing the existing outlet cover. No additional tools needed. Okay, so you have these two pieces here that looks like they would just slide. Yes, slides in like that. And then depending on which outlet, that comes with two different ones, you would need, I guess you stick this right here, and then you put that right into the wall, and now you have a shelf. Maybe you have to screw these together. Maybe, okay, I think you have to screw this together to where it'll stay into place, because I see some holes back here. Unless I'm missing something. It does say there's supposed to be screws in here. And there is not any. So apparently there's supposed to be some hardware in here. It shows that there's supposed to be 3 of one screw, 3 of another screw, 3 of another screw, and 6 of another screw. It's telling you how to screw everything in, but I personally don't have any screws. Ah, so it's saying like if you had, I'm not quite sure what this is on the picture, like what they're putting on it. Maybe it's some type of like a speaker, but this hole right here, beep, 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 when you have like your speaker here, you can put the cord through this hole and plug it in. So right there on the bottom, it's saying like if you have something, you can just stick it through the hole and then you can plug it in down here, so you're not having it like draping around. It'll go down there and then sit on top. So yeah, you do need some screws. So I wouldn't be able to use this even if I wanted to. Me personally, I don't know if I would use this. My plates in my house are like more decorative, and so I don't know if I would use this. Maybe somewhere in the garage or in our laundry room, if there's something maybe I can put there to utilize a little table. Or maybe I'll see if somebody else wants to use this, but I don't really see me using this in my house. Plus I really couldn't use it in this condition because it doesn't have no screws. So there's that. But when you do screw this in with these 4 screws, then that will give it the stability to not just do this, and then you screw it into the wall based on which one of these you need. Yeah, so there is a wall shelf mount. So again, that was valued for $15, I believe. My thing just timed out on me. Yes, $15. So the next thing here says Espro Bloom Brew, valued for $35, and that would be this right here. Elevate your coffee game with this sleek stainless steel Bloom pour over brewer, designed to simplify and enhance your brewing experience at home or on the go. So let's see what this guy is. Again, it's valued for $35. There's little tiny coffee filters in here. Okay, so to me it looks like this sits right on top of your mug, and then you can use the filter, put the filter in there. Oh, it has the little, the desiccant with the little like fresh save. I'm like, what is that? So you take one of your filters, put it in here, put in your, I guess, espresso coffee, and then you pour the hot water over it, and then it goes into your cup. It'll go through these little holes. If you can see those little holes right there in the bottom, down in the bottom. So all of those little holes, the water will go through, but not the coffee. Plus you'll have it in here. There are 2 lines on the side, probably like a fill line. If you see those 2 lines right there. The instructions are on the bottom of the box. Put it on the cup, put in your filter, put in the coffee, pour the hot water over, and then take it off your cup. So just like I showed is exactly how you would use it right there. Includes 10 paper filters. And then I guess you could probably, these are very unique in size. So you'd probably have to order them from the company if you wanted to get extras. maybe out, like if I went camping or something like that, this would be great. My friend and her husband always go camping, and I know she loves coffee, so maybe I'll gift this to her and they can utilize it when they're out camping. I mean, if I went camping a lot, I would love to take this with me camping, but just here in Florida, we don't go camping, and I don't even think I'd want to go camping out here with all these bugs and the weather. I think it would just be a miserable experience for me. But you do have this that you can use without having a machine or anything like that, so it makes it simple and easy for you to brew your own espresso. So there's that guy. So next it says Subliminal Nano Foamer V2. That's this right here. This is valued for $39. Transform your home coffee experience with the Nano Foamer V2, the ultimate tool for coffee aficionados seeking to create cafe quality micro foam milk for latte art. So it's valued at $39, and it just says it makes super fine micro foam by spinning bubbles through screens at ultra high speed. And then you can make like these little lovely designs, and that is how it is set up. Make better coffee drinks today. So let's see what it looks like inside of the packaging. So right on the top, there's a quick start guide that tells you like how to use it. And it looks like there is a QR code as well that you can scan. So it does require batteries. You need 2 different AA batteries for this guy. And it looks like this, you can like stick to like a cabinet or a wall if you wanted to, and then just stick it like that as like a little holder to sit. But here is the actual device itself. And down in here is a screen. So I don't know if that's an additional screen, because there is a screen here as well. So I guess you put the batteries in here, and then you just press this one button, and then this will start spinning, and you can put it down in like your milk. So again, here is the entire packaging with this that you can attach somewhere. You, like I said, you can set it on a counter, you can set it on a wall probably, whatever you would like, or you can probably even attach it to the side of your coffee maker if you have room, if you wanted to. I do like the design. I like the concept because I do froth my milk every single day. I have a Keurig that has a little side compartment that you put the milk in and it froths it, and it's its own little side compartment. And I froth my milk every single morning. So I already have my little routine down and how I use things. I do actually have probably 2 different things kind of similar to this that I got in other boxes that I don't use because I have my Keurig. Now, if my Keurig breaks or something happens, then I have the other ones that I can use because I definitely like to froth my milk. But for me personally, I already have my routine going and I probably won't use this. So I'll probably gift this to somebody to use because again, I love frothing my milk every morning. So if it'll help somebody else, then great. But here is the milk frother right there. Again, this is valued at $39. So it looks like we have one item left. Yes. And this is $35 as well. It's a multi-function headlamp by Power to Go. This 2-pack LED rechargeable headlamps offer hands-free, powerful illumination engineered for outdoor enthusiasts. They're ultra bright, lightweight, waterproof, and ready to accompany you on any activity. So let's get this one opened. So you do have a USB power cord. You have an adjustable strap so you can adjust it around your head. Let's see if it turns on. Yes. Oh, whoa. This lights up. This part lights up. I was thinking it was going to come out of here. So you have one, a lighter, the other side, lighter, and then you have this thing. You can charge it down inside of here. And yeah. So I don't know. I'm going to see if my man maybe wants to use this for something. If not, then my friend, like I said, that always goes camping, I'll see if her husband wants this. That would be great for people that definitely do go outdoors. So you have a headlamp if you would like to utilize that in different ways, the whole strip or just the little side piece. You can just, the side piece, you can use it how you want, and valued for $35. So using its dual LED strip design, this headlamp provides a surge of lumens for intense brightness, paired with a sweeping 230 beam, casting extensive and reliable light for heightened visibility and safety. So there is that. So that is everything that came in the winter BREO box for 2023. So a quick recap to go over everything quickly. We have the headlamp, the multifunctional headlamp. You have the milk frother to froth your milk. You have this to make your own espresso at home or on the go. You have a wall shelf that you can utilize to put things on above a wall outlet. And then you have this speaker. All right, so now that is everything for the winter box. What did you think of the box? What did you think of the products that they put in the box? Would you like to get this for yourself or for a gift idea? Me personally, the only thing that I might use is I might use this in the garden just to use it, but I probably won't. And I might try to see if we can find a place to put this in the garage or something, but we probably won't. So technically, this is the very, very first box that I'm really not going to be using anything because I already have speakers. I already have a milk frother. I don't really know if I want to use that shelf anywhere. Plus it wouldn't match my other plates. And then this I don't see us using. Plus if we wanted to, we already have things kind of similar to this. So just for me personally, in my lifestyle and everything that I already have, it just isn't, I'm just really not going to be using anything in it for the first time. And that's very, very, very surprising. They're great items, obviously, because I already have half of them in different, different brands with the same product, but it's just for me personally, but I will definitely share for others because they are great items. So there is that. Let me know what you think. If you want a little bit more information about the BREO box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SHE15. That'll get you $15 off your very first box. The BREO box is a seasonal subscription service for both men and women, curated with the coolest and most unique products that you never knew you needed. Discover the latest tech, gadgets, home goods, fitness products, and more, all to enhance your lifestyle. Handpicked every 3 months, curated to fit the season, and delivered right to your front door. It's a fun surprise of unique tech-savvy products every season of the year. It is $159 per season, so again, 4 of them per year, and it's free US shipping. So $159 for the box. They are some pretty big boxes, and sometimes they can get really heavy. And so it's free US shipping. You'll get 1 new box every 3 months, and each box contains up to $300 worth of products. If you want to save money, you can do an annual plan. It will bring it down to $144.75. It's a savings of $87 for the year. They do have an online shop if you wanted to check out some of their products. And the last few seasons, they've had mystery boxes. So if they still have a mystery box available and you just didn't want to go quite to a subscription, you can always grab a mystery box so you can get some mystery items to get a little bit of like dabble in and get your feet wet in that one. If you want to do a mystery box to get some of their cool products. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.